Okay, let's get started everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning to ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for get ready and attend to my presentation today. As you know, I am Muhammad Syamil bin Hamidi. My matrix number 15DKA20F1009. I'm from class DKA 1A. The topic that I presentation is Phineas and Ferb, and it was fun movie. To start with, I would like to talk about synopsis of the story and characteristic of character. Then, I will proceed with the value. Finally, I will end of my presentation by conclusion. If you have any question, I will be happy to answer at the end of my presentation. Alright, as you can see in this picture, there are a happy family with their mother, father, also with their friend. This attention grabber closely relate to this movie because it is about family. Alright, before I go on the synopsis of this movie, let me introduce you about the director and producer of this movie. The director of this movie is known as Dan Povenmire and Jeff Swampy Marsh. And then the producer is Disney Television Animation. Okay, now let me begin by explaining the synopsis of this movie first. As you know, Phineas and Ferb, who is an American animated musical television series. The program follows Phineas Flynn and his stepbrother Ferb Fletcher on summer vacation. The boys also doing some grand new project. These are usually unrealistic given the very young age, which announce their controlling older sister, Candace. Candace frequently tries to reveal their madness to their mother. Phineas and Ferb also have a pet. The pet name is Perry the Platypus. Perry the Platypus has working as a spy named Agent P at the end to erase all traces of the boys' project just before Candace can show it to their mother. This usually leaves Candace very frustrated. Next, I would like to talk about characteristic of the character. The main character on this movie is Phineas. Phineas is a youngest brother in the family. Phineas is portrayed as being a highly intelligent. He is imaginative person, confident, creative, and innovative on their project. Phineas also very clever to decide their project they won't create. The Disney Channel's promos for Phineas describe him as someone who thinks big. Alright, the second character is Ferb. Ferb's personality is generally not common on this series. Ferb also seems to have good insight. Ferb, he is a silent person. Ferb speak at least once in most episodes. Ferb also is a good person because he discuss to Phineas before they make a project. Next, the next character is Perry the Platypus. Perry the Platypus, also known as Agent P. Perry the Platypus, a pet of the Phineas and Ferb, and he is very intelligent pet, and he is work as a spy. Perry the Platypus also is clever when doing something. Finally, the last character is Candace. She is older sister. She personality is as a female teenager. She always complained to her mother about projects made by Phineas and Ferb. She also have a boyfriend. The boyfriend name is Jeremy Johnson. Alright, I want to tell you about a part of voiceover. The first character is Ferb, voiced by Thomas Brody Sangster. The second character is Phineas, voiced by Vincent Martella, and the next character is Candace, voiced by Ashley Tisdale, and the last character is Perry the Platypus, voiced by D. Bradley Baker. This is the voiceover of character in this movie. Alright, next I would like to talk about the value of this movie. Three value that I find from watching this movie. The first value is loyalty friendship. For example, Phineas and Ferb make a project together with their friend. Next, Phineas and Ferb spend time together with the project they create. And lastly, they care for each other. The second value is creative. For example, Phineas and Ferb make an incredible project. Next, they make a project with high imaginary thinking skills. Finally, they also make a project in a quick time. For example, they make a roller coaster in quick time together with their stepbrother Ferb and their friend. Alright, the final value is love. For example, a harmonious and happy family. Next, respect each other's decision, and lastly, joke with each other. Finally, the conclusion that I learned from watching this movie is, for example, love in the family is very important. Secondly, we need to work together with friends when doing something. After that, we need to be more confident when doing our job. And lastly, we need to have a good imaginary thinking skill when doing our job. Okay, I like the movie because this movie have a lot of moral value. The moral value that I can learn from watching this movie, for example, is it shown that friendship is the most important things in our life. Next, their creativity makes me curious on how did they do the construction project, such as Phineas and Ferb create the project is roller coaster. After that, I would like to talk about movie rating. This movie has a total view 8,632 in social media, such as in YouTube. The movie rating is 91%. How I can get? I total how much like and how much dislike, equal to 91%. This shows that this movie got a higher rating. Alright, that's all for my presentation about this movie today. I hope you guys and madam enjoy this my presentation. Lastly, I want to say thank you for, especially for Madam Azuro, for helping me to finishing this presentation. Last but not least, you guys can check link about this movie on my slides to get the more info about this movie. Thank you. Bye. See you later.